Introducing the new WatchmanOne, a next-generation wireless monitoring system designed for food storage, distribution and production environments. Key features of the system include a user-friendly system with no complicated software installation. Simply set up, monitor and stay in control. Instant alarms via SMS and email helps to prevent stock loss. Waterproof and durable sensors are built to withstand harsh food industry conditions. Innovative data portal enables total visibility across multiple sites, a full audit trail and instant access to historical reports. And unlike other systems, WatchmanOne requires no annual software fees, making it a sustainable, long-term solution. Have peace of mind when monitoring your goods with the new WatchmanOne system. Get in touch to discuss your requirements today.